What up, YouTube? This is your president, the president of the tourist, and mom. We have a cool candy bar to show you. This is Toxic Waste Slime Liquor Strawberry. It's a sour-filled milk chocolate bar. If you know the Toxic Waste candies, they usually come in like a little barrel. Makes it look like it's toxic waste. They're usually extremely sour candy. I've tried them for you, I believe. I tried a selection box of them. I tried the Toxic Waste Pop. Well, now this is the candy bar version of it, and we're going to try it right now.
Yeah, let's do it.
This was expensive. I bought this at a store, candy store. It sells a lot of like foreign candy, obscure stuff. This was $5 for this little bar, and this is 1.75 ounces. So far, it looks like good chocolate, but we will see. No blooming or anything, so this is pretty fresh. Let's see if it has a no like special decorations. But ooh, it comes out like a little slimy stuff.
Oh, that's the toxic. How does it taste?
Yeah. We taste the chocolate, but milky, but it's kind of overwhelmed from the strawberry flavor. It definitely has that sour candy flavor to it. Let's get another piece.
Look at that. It's juicy.
Very.
Yummy. Oh, look at that.
Careful, don't drop anything with the dog.
No, I know. Oh, they'll love it. No, can't have it. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, very strawberry sour tasting.
Here we go.
I saw this when I was cashing. I thought I gotta get it. So I like trying the different toxic waste stuff, candy, and I'm glad I did. I wouldn't want to eat that all the day. It's still kind of sweet, but I like it. It's definitely different. They had a couple other flavors, but I thought this.
The chocolate's good.
All right, you heard it.
Now that I like.
All right.
Oh, yummy.
Any comments, questions? Put them below. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. You heard it. It's yummy.